Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sweet and Nails. I hope you all are doing amazing today. I am back with another Born Pretty mini haul, so I'm going to show you all what they sent to me this time. So first I have this nail glue gel for nail tips. I'm not going to be using it today because I don't have any nail tips that fit my nails right now, but I will open it up and show you all what the tube looks like. So this is what the tube looks like. It's kind of big, and I'm going to show you all what the application tip also looks like. In my opinion, it's a little bit big. I prefer a more precise tip. This product does come with a manual, so it says it's kind of multi-purpose. You can use it for nail tips, you can use it for rhinestones and 3D sculpting. So I'll try to use it in the future, but for now, like I said, I'm not going to use it today. I also have their top coat. This is a pretty big bottle of top coat, and I am using it in today's video. I do like their top coat. It's very shiny and it's also non-wipe. Then they sent me their 3D floating dot gel, which I am obsessed with this. I love it. It is so much fun, and I'm actually using it in this tutorial for today. Looks can be deceiving because when I looked at the gel, at first I was like, I don't really know because it kind of just looks like a matte top coat, but it is definitely not. Next I have their Ocean Wave watercolor liquid. This is a liquid, it's not a gel, so it does air dry. I am going to use it in some future videos, but you can check it out in some of my shorts as well. Next, I have some spider nail gel. I've never used it before, but I've always wanted to try it. This one is a reflective gold color. Now, if you're unfamiliar with spider gel, it is this sticky, very stringy gel to create some interesting effects. I don't really know how to describe it, but I am using it in today's video. And I am also using this cat eye gel that they sent to me. It is in the color raspberry. This is what it looks like straight out of the bottle, but we're also going to swatch it. I really like the consistency of this cat eye gel. It goes on very smooth and even. Now we're going to take the magnet to it. This is not my strongest magnet. I have another one that's really strong, but I left it upstairs and I just haven't taken it back downstairs, but it's still pretty reactive to the magnet. It's not a super strong cat eye, it's very subtle. And now we're going to finally get into the tutorial. So I've already applied my base color. The base color is from Kira Sky, the new Gel Pro collection, but I cannot remember what the color is called. But first things first, we are going for a cherry look, and I know this is called raspberry. It's a raspberry cat eye gel, but we're going with cherries today. Something dark, something juicy. So I'm just taking my smallest detail brush and I am drawing a cherry. I'm not very good at drawing cherries, but I did my best. After I was done painting my cherry, I took the magnet and just activated the cat eye. So I wanted to show you all the 3D floating dot gel, just what it looks like on my little palette paper. It has a little bit of definition to it, not a whole lot, but it is kind of buildable. So after I'm done painting it and I cure it, I am going to put the floating gel on top. Now you can do it straight out of the bottle, but because this is such a small space, I am using my detail brush. And I'm just kind of globbing it around and going around the outline of the cherry. Now I am doing two connecting cherries, so I'm just going to go ahead and do the cherry and then the floating gel on top, and then I'm going to paint on the stem. For the next nail, I am doing the whole thing with the raspberry cat eye gel. Next, we're gonna go in with the spider gel, and this stuff was messy, but it is fun to use. I am using a wooden stick to do this. I didn't want to make too much of a mess with my tools. So to apply this, I recommend stirring it first. As you can see, I initially did not, and then I was like, oh wait, I should probably stir this and get it ready. But after you stir it, just pick up a little bit of the product and then drag it up and over the nail however many times you want, in any direction that you want. The stuff is fun, like I said, but I'm not really sure if I would use this on like myself, because I am like a stickler for the rules. I do not want any gel touching my skin whatsoever, not even for a brief second. Once I was done with my spider gel, I felt like the first nail I did needed just a little bit more oomph to kind of tie it together, so I just went and outlined the nail with my gold painting gel. For this nail, I am doing a French tip. I have a lot of rhinestones that I don't use, so I decided to use them today. I am just placing them right next to each other, and then I am drawing a cherry stem to make a rhinestone cherry. The French tip felt a little empty, so I decided to go in with the spider gel. Now for this last nail, I'm not super proud of it. I don't really like the way that it came out, but I was just trying something new. I wanted to do like a juicy dripping cherry design, but I don't think that I executed it that well. I was originally going to do a drip design from where the cuticle is going down, but I felt like, I don't know, I just felt like it wouldn't look good either. I don't know why, I've just been really struggling with inspiration lately, and I'm trying not to be too hard on myself about it, but I am doing the best that I can. Now it is time to top coat everything. Once again, I am using the Born Pretty top coat. I like this one because it is super shiny and it is also non-wipe. Non-wipe is always a plus. The top coat is not thin or runny, and after it cures, it feels really sturdy. I should have mentioned this in the beginning of the video. I don't know what I was thinking, but everything that I'm using is listed down in the description below. The links are affiliated, so if you click on them and you buy something from these links, I will receive credit for it. And now here is the final look. My husband said these reminded him of Dr. Pepper, so here are my Dr. Pepper nails. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe because I have lots more coming. And leave a comment. I always love hearing from you all. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.